Salle Land and Water combines 80 acres, 2 homes, and 20 shares of FRICO water to create this luxury estate. The primary home is 6,080 square feet with views of the reservoir and mountains. The original 1,000 square foot home includes multiple outbuildings and room for animals. The property has 4 recorded exemptions, and the new buyer has the ability to purchase just a portion of the property if desired. The main home is professionally landscaped and intended to be easy maintenance. The pond on the northeast section of the property provides plenty of water to keep the grass and surrounding area lush and green. The west section of land consists of grass and alfalfa and is currently leased from a nearby dairy. The property is on level to rolling ground and is good for farming and irrigation. The main home was built in 2005 and is approximately 3,100 square feet on the main level with 2 bedrooms, an office, and 2 bathrooms. The open floor plan provides amazing views from the kitchen, dining room, and 2 sitting rooms. A portion of the walkout basement is finished with an additional 2,000 square feet that can be completed to the new buyer's specifications. There is currently a roughed-in bathroom, framed-in storage, and an excellent spot for an in-law suite and extra kitchen. The finished 3-car garage has plenty of space for all of your toys. You will be spoiled by the geothermal heating and cooling system. It's just one of the many added benefits to this custom home. The original home, built in 1955, is a 1,000 square foot, 2-bed, 1-bath home and has so much character. This would make an excellent home for a ranch hand, a rental, or for keeping family close by. This home includes a 2-car detached garage, hay storage, corrals, squeeze chute, and barn. This property has 4 recorded exemptions for the possibility of building additional homes. 20 shares of water from Farmers Reservoir Irrigation Company from Bar Lake are included with the property. Both homes have central Weld water. There is a domestic well located in the far southeast corner of the property. For more information or a private tour, please call Sally Brunk or Jena Martindale today.